serious, sometimes fatal infections, lymphoma, and other cancers will happen. Don't start Xeljanz if you have an infection.
Rascally wabbit.
Your blood cell counts and your liver tests and cholesterol levels will happen. Your doctor should perform blood tests before you start
Lightning.
Xeljanz.
Was it my fault?
Certain liver tests. Tell your doctor
I
if you have
guess.
allergen or fungal infections at home, hepatitis B or C, or are prone to infections. Xeljanz
Hey.
can reduce the symptoms of RA,
Lightning.
even without methotrexate, and is also available in a once daily pill. Ask about Xeljanz XR. More doing chores for mom, Carol?
Lightning!
Chores
Lightning!
for dad, Carol.
Crazy wascally wabbit.
More earning something you love,
Would like to
Carol.
catch me laying and jump on
Bounty
me.
is more absorbent, so the roll can last 50% longer than the leading ordinary brand. So you get more life per roll. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper.
I can't believe it's so delicious.
I can't believe it has 40% fewer calories than butter.
I can't believe it's made with real simple
Weirdo.
ingredients.
I can't believe we're on a whale.
I can't believe my roll isn't bigger.
Oh, it's real. Real ingredients, unbelievable taste. Go ahead, enjoy.
Get up and get down at Cricket Wireless, where plans start at only $30 a month and more 4G LTE coverage to T-Mobile or Sprint. Plus, when you switch now, you can get a brand new smartphone for free. Cricket Wireless, something to smile about.
I used to handwrite lists to find out which website had my ideal hotel for the cheapest. Just scribbled all my options underneath. Well, Trivago does exactly that for me.
What hurt?
Saving me lots of time and money. Hotel, Trivago.
Dunkin's
Your
full
hair,
body
man.
cold brew coffee. Takes 12 hours to steep. Almost no time to sip. Keep on with ultra smooth taste, now available
He's
with a
letting
sweet and
Lurk
salty
back
kick.
and run. He loves
America
that.
runs on Dunkin'.
Maestros
Silly.
lead with confidence, exactness, inspiration. At GMC, we're in tune with that degree of precision. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the GMC
He's like,
Acadia.
yo, lost
The
me.
next generation SUV has arrived. Step up to GMC with 17% below MSRP on select brand new 2017 Acadia vehicles in stock. That's over $8,100 Acadia Denali.
Left it.
She may have unlocked the psychopath in him.
A twisted crime.
He's gonna get away with it.
We're not gonna let him.
And an
Look,
engine
there's
running out of time. Predator or prey? Which one are you?
Sorry, snitch.
New Criminal Minds. CBS in 2 weeks. Or stream it live or on
Now you
demand.
want to take the blanket?
Film this from Michael Weatherly. In full. CBS Next.
And your fat butt.
Election's all new with Patrick Stewart.
Matter,
Tonight,
baby.
Pull Bear, the smart choice.
Good morning. Let's wake up and start the day. Now, first things first, make sure that you make healthy decisions for yourself. And today, I'll be showing you how to make my favorite morning wake-up smoothie. Let's do this. Now, remember to get 45 minutes of exercise and, switch it up so that you don't get bored. Carefully about what you want to do.
Oh, so this was
Then,
eat
open
me
your
and
arms
love
and
me.
get ready to
We're
greet the
gonna
day.
told you real fast he's gonna get beat.
After this nutritious breakfast,
Yeah,
intense
I
workout,
was supposed to make a run my
you'll be ready for any obstacle that comes your way.
Fast.
Time to wake up.
Hey kids, I like it.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Bella Colon Brands would like to express our condolences to the family of Olivia Brooks. But I cannot let these charges against my company
My name is
stand.
George
We are
Brooks, and I'm here today to let you know that Isabella Colon and her lifestyle company are 100% culpable for my wife Olivia's death, and we'll prove that in court. Their irresponsible business practices killed my wife and put other people across the country at risk.
not culpable for Mrs. Brooks' death.